To buy shares using the Groww app, follow these steps. Download and install. Start by downloading and installing the Groww app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your mobile device. Create account. Sign up for a Groww account by providing the required details and completing the verification process. You will need to provide your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and other KYC details. Add funds. Deposit funds into your Groww account using bank transfer or other accepted payment methods. Ensure you have sufficient funds to make the desired investment. Explore stocks. Navigate to the stocks section within the Groww app to explore available stocks. You can use the search feature to find specific stocks or browse through categories and recommendations. Place order. Select the stock you want to buy and tap on the buy button. Enter the quantity of shares you wish to purchase and select the order type. Review and confirm. Double check the order details, including quantity and order type, before confirming the order. Execute order. Once you're satisfied with the order details, confirm the order to execute it. Groww will process the order, and if it's a market order, it will be executed at the prevailing market price. Monitor investment. After placing the order, monitor your investment by tracking the stock's performance and relevant market news within the Groww app.